Confounding, compounding. Okay, guys, it's really going very interesting. Lessons from one field can often teach us something important about unrelated fields. Take the billion-year history of ice ages and what they teach us about growing your money. Our scientific knowledge of Earth is younger than you might think. Understanding how the world works often involves drilling deep below its surface, something we haven't been able to do until fairly recently. Isaac Newton calculated the movement of stars hundreds of years before we understood some of the basics of our planet. It was not until the 19th century that scientists agreed that Earth had, on multiple occasions, been covered with ice. There was too much evidence to argue otherwise. All over the world sat fingerprints of previously frozen world, huge boulders strewn in random locations, rock beds scraped down into thin layers. Evidence became clear that there had not been one ice age, but five distinct ones we could measure. The amount of energy needed to froze the planet, melt it anew, and freeze it over yet again is staggering. What on earth literally could be causing these cycles? It must be the most powerful force on our planet. And it was just not the way anyone expected. There was plenty of theories about why ice ages occurred. To account for their enormous geological influences, the theories were equally grand. The uplifting of mountain ranges, it was thought, may have shifted the Earth's winds enough to alter the climate. Others favored the idea that the ice was the natural state, interrupted by massive volcanic eruptions that warmed us up. But none of these theories could account for the cycle of ice ages. The growth of mountain ranges or some massive volcano may explain one ice age. It could not explain the cyclical repetition of five. Stay tuned with us for the next videos and take intensive care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Iltamas dua, jazakumullah khairan kasira.